20 years in real estate have taught me to cast a wide net. This is Ron Wojciechowski with Real Estate in a Nutshell, and casting a wide net and getting the greatest possible number of opportunities has always served me well. 20 years in real estate has taught me that casting a wide net has always been a great strategy, and it has been so important to cast a wide net to give myself the greatest possible opportunity in real estate and with all the clients that also now are working in property management with us. And if you think about it, giving yourself the widest possible range of clients to work with, you can eventually learn about homes and condos and commercial and investments. You will quite capably be able to work with pretty much any buyer or seller in any type of property or market over time, as long as you continue to cast a wide net and get more opportunities to work with those clients and improve yourself skillfully day after day, week after week. Casting the widest possible net also gives you the biggest possible referral network, which can enhance your profits in your business down the road. I can't stress the importance enough of casting a wide net, not only for your client base, but your knowledge base. This is Ron Wojciechowski for Real Estate in a Nutshell.